Now example, the equation of a straight line, we have to find the equation of a straight line passing through the point minus 4 comma 3 with slope 1 by 2. Now given straight line passes through the point negative of 4 comma 3 with slope one by 2. Therefore, x1 y1 is equal to negative of 4 comma 3 and slope, that is m, is 1 by 2. Equation of a straight line using point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now substituting the values, y minus 3 is equal to m x negative of 4. Y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 4. 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4 x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Required equation of straight line is x minus 2y plus 10. X minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the answer.